Ford has announced a major safety recall involving about 227,000 vehicles across the United States. The recall affects several models due to potential windshield, seat, and visibility issues. The recall covers multiple vehicle types for different safety concerns. Around 163,000 Ford Bronco SUVs are being recalled because front seat frame bolts may not have been tightened properly. If the seat becomes loose, it could reduce protection during a crash. Roughly 57,000 Lincoln Navigator and Ford Explorer vehicles are affected by a windshield defect that may cause air bubbles or separation in the glass. This could weaken the windshield's structural integrity and increase the risk of injury during a collision. About 7,000 Ford Econoline vans are included in the recall because of defrost and defog system failures. If the system doesn't work, the windshield may fog or ice over, reducing visibility and increasing the risk of accidents. Ford says that all repairs will be done free of charge at authorized dealerships. Notification letters will be mailed to affected owners once parts and service procedures are ready. If you own a Ford vehicle from recent model years, it's important to check if your car is part of this recall. You can do this by visiting the official NHTSA recall website and entering your vehicle identification number, VIN. If your vehicle is affected, schedule an appointment with your local Ford or Lincoln dealer as soon as possible. Repairs and inspections will be completely free. Keep a copy of your service paperwork for your records once the repair is completed. Until your vehicle is fixed, pay attention to any unusual seat movement, windshield bubbling, or poor window visibility. Avoid driving in severe weather conditions if your defrost system isn't working properly. This recall highlights ongoing concerns about vehicle safety and manufacturing quality control. Defects involving key safety systems, like seat bolts, windshields, and defrosting mechanisms, can significantly increase injury risks during everyday driving. Addressing these issues promptly ensures the vehicle remains safe for both drivers and passengers. If you believe your vehicle might be affected, act quickly and get it checked. This is a recall alert. Stay informed, stay safe, and don't forget to subscribe for more important safety updates.